Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, I've been diving into a bunch of meal delivery services lately, sampling their healthy options and figuring out which ones really hit the spot. I actually started using meal delivery services because cooking all these elaborate meals is not really in the cards for me, and running to the store for last minute groceries is a battle I'm not always willing to fight. And that's why meal delivery services are near and dear to my lazy heart. So today, I'm breaking down my top picks, sharing their costs, what they offer, and whether they might be a good fit for you. Just so you know though, I only review services that I genuinely like and think might help you out. If you decide to try any of these meal delivery services, check out the affiliate links in the description. It won't cost you anything extra, and you'll grab yourself a discount that you won't find by going straight to their sites. First up on our list is Blue Apron. They've earned the top spot because their food has that extra something that really makes it stand out. As pioneers in meal kit delivery, they offer high quality, thoughtfully sourced ingredients and recipes that are sophisticated yet not overly complicated. So expect to pay about $10 per serving with an $11 delivery fee, which is pretty standard for what you get. Blue Apron is known for its elegant dishes that taste like they came from a restaurant. Each week, you get to choose from a menu that includes classic favorites, new flavors, and unique ingredients. They might not have the widest variety, but they do have some flexibility with ingredient substitutions. So if you're not into pork or need a vegetarian option, you've got choices. While Blue Apron might not be the best for picky eaters or those with very restricted diets, the quality of their food and the aesthetic of their recipe cards makes them a standout. They're definitely memorable in my books. Next, we've got Green Chef. They focus on clean, healthy eating with seasonal organic ingredients. If you're a vegetarian or into vegan diets, this one's for you. They offer at least 9 new meals each week, catering to various diets like keto, gluten-free, and more. So expect to pay around $12 per meal plus $10 for delivery. Green Chef is certified organic, so you know you're getting top-notch produce and proteins. They even offer free nutritional coaching to help you hit your health goals. However, I found that their portions are a bit small and some of the meals a bit plain. Still, their commitment to health and sustainability is very impressive. So next up on our list is Factor 75. This service from HelloFresh delivers pre-cooked meals that are ready in minutes. It's all about maximum convenience with minimal effort. With around 35 meal options each week, including choices for various diets, you can find something that suits your needs. Prices start at $14 per serving, going down to $11.50 if you order more. Their meals are fresh, organic, and ready to heat. They might not win any beauty contests, trust me, I know, personally, not happening, but they taste great, so they got good personality and are perfect for busy individuals. One downside, though, is their customer service, which could use some improvement. Nevertheless, though, Factor 75 offers nutritious meals with convenience, making it a solid choice for those of you who are busy. And here we have HelloFresh, which is actually a very popular international meal kit service. For about $10 per meal, you get a box with ingredients and recipes to make balanced meals in under 30 minutes. While they do focus on tasty home-style cooking rather than strict health guidelines, they do offer a decent range of vegetable and fish options. Their meals are generally flavorful and family-friendly, though they could use more vegetable sides. HelloFresh is also committed to sustainability with a smaller carbon footprint compared to supermarket ingredients. They're also a great option if you're looking for convenient and tasty meals without too many restrictions. And finally, there's Home Chef. They stand out in particular for their flexibility and convenience. You can choose to exclude certain foods like pork or peanuts, which makes it a good option for those with specific preferences. They offer a range of easy-to-prepare meals, perfect for busy families or anyone who just wants food on the table quickly. I think we can all get around that. Meals start at around $10, with most averaging about $12 per serving. Home Chef also offers a selection of extras like pre-cooked meats and other convenience items. It's kind of like having a mini grocery store delivered to your door. If you need something quick and straightforward, then Home Chef has got you covered. So there you have it, my top 5 meal delivery services, each with its own strengths. Blue Apron stands out for its high-quality ingredients and memorable meals. Green Chef is great for those who prioritize organic and health-focused options. Factor 75 is perfect for convenience and nutritious pre-cooked meals, and HelloFresh offers tasty, family-friendly options with a sustainable twist. And of course, lastly, Home Chef delivers budget-friendly, easy-to-prepare meals for those busy days. If you're thinking of trying any of these, remember to use the affiliate links in the description for a discount and to support the channel at no extra cost to you. If you've got any questions or comments, drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you like the video, consider liking the video physically or digitally, I guess, and subscribe to show your support. At any rate though, folks, thank you so much for watching and I will catch you in the next video.